Okay, before we get to this Labor Day weekend weather, I just want to point out that the reason we haven't had a lot of hurricanes, the Atlantic Ocean is really hot. It's very hot near record highs, and you can look up this way. But here's Africa, and here's the Atlantic, where things usually cook. But it's going to start to cool between now and the fall and into winter because we got what's called an Atlantic Nina going on here, and it's cold and it will spread. And we don't get these many that very often. We're always looking out in the Pacific, but this could control some of this weather. But what it could do, it can also affect the storms coming off of Africa that lead to hurricanes and create less. So I just wanted to give you a little heads up there, and so you know what's going on with that and how that's odd and hasn't been like that. So let's look at the weekend. Okay, just to recap, we had pretty warm temperatures, southeastern PA, south central PA, and then out south of Pittsburgh here. Temperatures all hit the 90s. Delaware, New Jersey. It's a terrific day to be along the coast. Temperatures were very warm there. So I guess everybody wants to know where's these thunderstorms that we have right now. There are some thunderstorms out there, but let's see here. Let's move this out ahead. They're coming down, and you can see them right around. See, it's 8 o'clock, so there's 8 o'clock. This is simulated, but you can see kind of a line here. Yesterday, we thought that line would be further south, but the line is moving to which is going to give this area up here and heading into Jersey or South Jersey, Central Jersey, more rain, and then it's a little bit, like I said, it's like anything else, a little further to the north. But it will drop down. It'll come through Berks County. This is around 10 o'clock. There's 11 o'clock. Here's midnight, passing through Philly, heading down through South Jersey and Delaware. And then here's like 1, there's 2, and they're dying off, 3. And then you just have a little bit left over as we get into the morning hours tomorrow, around 7. Now, here's Friday. This is a 6-hour precipitation on Friday. This is basically effective around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So this is the rain between 10 in the morning and 4. And you can see it's here in central PA. It's actually moves overnight Thursday night from eastern PA over towards central PA. And you can see there, and it kind of goes off, and this takes you into Friday night, and then it drops off, and then you have more rain on a front that comes across on Saturday. This is the afternoon on Saturday. This is a 6-hour precipitation, as you can see. It's pretty good. It's pretty good line of rain coming through. It'll be out of here before Sunday morning. This is around, there's a 6-hour total around 7 in the morning. So you can see by Sunday it kind of clears away. And then as we go through Sunday into Monday, it's kind of, there's just maybe a shower, but that's about it. Nothing major. Temperatures during this period. See if we can make this work here. Okay. Now let's go back here to Friday. Here's Friday warming up. Now you can see there's some hot temperatures out here in the afternoon out in western PA. Everything to the east, again, you have rain, clouds, so temperature 60s and low 70s. And then out here where the sun can get out, temperatures will get into the 80s. Then as we move into overnight, Friday into Saturday morning, it kind of pretty much stays the same in eastern PA, but in the western part of the state, it drops down to about 70 degrees by the morning hours. And then on Saturday, it tries to warm up, but you got that rain I showed you coming in. So in the southern part of the state, where the rain comes in last, it could warm up into the 80s. But then, as you can see, this sweeps through. This is around 6 o'clock. You can see the rain sweeps through, cools things off. We're pretty good. Now we're getting in this Sunday morning around 8 o'clock. Temperatures basically 60s and low 70s across the tri-state area. And then during the day, it warms up. 80s out by Pittsburgh, 80s here in central PA, 80s in Jersey and Delaware, down by Philadelphia. And then cooler air comes in behind that rain. And this is Monday, which I know a lot of people are having picnics. This is Monday afternoon, and you can see it's cool. 60s to the north, 70s to the south, and then Delaware and South Jersey, you climb to the 80s. But along the coast here, temperatures are in the 70s. mid 70s along the coastline here. So temperatures on the water end of it are in around 70 degrees, pretty warm. But that's kind of your weekend forecast. Wish it could be better, but I'd say Monday's your best day for outdoor activity. But unfortunately, it's also going to be cooler that day. So whether you like that or not, that's what it's going to be. Okay, everybody take care, be safe out there, and I'll talk to you on Friday.